What's up guys, Cheapies aka Noah, back today bringing another video. This time we're doing my Grailed steals for the month of May. I picked up 2 things from Grailed this month, so it's getting a little bit better, picking stuff up. And then I had a few things I just kind of picked up throughout the month that I wanted to show you guys because 2 things isn't a crazy amount. But I do have my first sneaker unboxing of the month, or of a really long time. It's nothing crazy, that's why I kind of just want to do in the Grailed video, and I got a pretty good deal on it, so I thought it was a good one to put in the Grailed video, and I didn't think it needed its own review since it's been out for a really long time and it's nothing like crazy hype. Just something I thought I could pick up, plus it was pretty cheap, so that's why it's going in this. But then one shirt and then a few other things I picked up. So with that being said, let's get right into it. First things first, we're going to talk about the 2 things on my left. They're actually just 2 mystery boxes from SaruGeneral. If you guys want to go check out those videos, I did pick them up last month. If you guys want to check out the videos, I got one originally that I ordered, and they sent me another one, and both those videos will be in the description. That's really all I'm going to talk about. If you want to watch those videos, you can watch them. I was surprised by both of them, let's just say that. So yeah, we'll get rid of those because that was just something I was showing you guys because I've already unboxed them, but it is something I picked up during the month of May. All right, so the next thing that I got during May, I ordered masks from Chinatown Market that got here, and since they were super delayed, they sent me like a 20% off code. So I decided to pick up a shirt that they came out with. So I got this one. It just looks like a CNN logo, but it's not. It's a Chinatown Market. It's got that puff print that they seem to be like doing, and then it just says the most trusted bootleg on the back. This is a long sleeve shirt, has the logos down the side. I'll give you guys some b-roll of this. Like I said, not from Grailed, but I think it's pretty decent. I think I only paid like 36 bucks for it because it was on sale. But it's warm now, so I'm not gonna be wearing it too much. But I am pretty happy with this pickup just because I like Chinatown Market, and I thought it was pretty cool, and I'll definitely be wearing it once it gets cooler again. So the next thing, I was actually watching a documentary about the Redwings called The Russian Five. It was about the 5 Russian players that they brought over, and they did really well. And in one of the big moments is when they win the Stanley Cup in 1997. So I was looking on Grailed, and this was actually out there. Detroit Red Wings Stanley Cup. This is one from the movie. It seemed like this was the player one too, from 1997. I'm a big Red Wings fan, and I just kind of thought it was a cool shirt. So haven't worn it yet. Just got it in basically. Looks pretty cool. Just something simple, and I like the Red Wings, and they won Stanley Cup. They're not good anymore right now, but we'll get better. But might as well relive the glory days. I was alive during this, so I was 2, or I might have been like 1.5, but I was alive, so I was around for it. I just don't remember it because obviously I was pretty young. So yeah, just a nice shirt that I like, and I'll probably be wearing it in future videos. It's not too bad. It's a little faded, but it's also from 1997, so you don't really expect too much out of it at this point since it's, what, 23 years old now. So yeah, good shirt. I like it. So for the last one, we're actually going to a view that I haven't used in a really long time. It's the top-down view since it is a shoebox. I'm pretty sure it has everything with it. Like I said, this one's like nothing crazy hype, so I thought it would fit in this video pretty well, just because it's nothing crazy, but I did want it. So this shoe on StockX, I'll probably put like an image up, goes for like $220 for some reason. It's retailed for $180, so like it makes sense, but it went up in price, I feel like. And then on Grailed, I bought it for $90, like with shipping. So I sent him an offer, and they sent it for $90, and they accepted it, which I was really happy about. And the condition in the pictures look pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it. And I said at one video, the last time I got one of these shoes, I wanted to get the whole collection. So with that being said, it is a Adidas Game of Thrones box, and let me get this out real quick. So as you guys can see, the box isn't like terribly damaged. Like I don't really care too much about the box conditions. I kind of care more about what's inside. So if you guys remember, the last ones I got were the White Walker ones. I got them in another Grailed video. I picked them both up off Grailed. Both for way under retail and used. So I think there's 4 like men's size sneakers that I can get out of this collection, and this is one of the ones I don't have, obviously. So let's see. Oh, it's got a legit receipt from Finish Line. Nice. That makes it a lot easier then. So here they are. These actually are in really good condition. I was thinking they were going to be like whatever condition. Whoops. But these are in really good condition. These are the Knights. What is it? Knights Watch. Why did I forget that? These are the Night Watch Ultra Boost. They're the third ones I've gotten. I have the Targaryen and the White Walker ones. These ones are actually a little different. They like have more like a trail bottom on them. But as you guys can see, the boost on it, I mean, these look like they've been barely worn. The boost is pretty white, and they just look overall pretty clean. There's just a few little details like on here. It says, what does it say? It says take the black, and then on the back, this little tab says Night's Watch. So I really like them. They're the third ones I have. I think I only need the House Stark ones. So then I will have all 4 of the men's size one. If I want to pick up the women's, I would have to, but they're never going to fit me. I looked it up already to see about the size. So they're just a black upper, and then they got some white details on it, and then black Adidas emblem, and then the white boost. I actually really like these ones. I don't know why. I really like the Targaryen ones first. I think these were my second favorite, but I found the Night Watch ones, or the White Walker ones next. So then I picked up these ones, and these ones are $90. And on StockX, like I said, they run for $225 in my size. So I think I got a steal on that one. So let me show you guys some B-roll of everything I got, and then I will wrap it up.
All 3 members.
So that's everything I picked up this month on Grailed. I actually think it's a pretty good month for me, and a few other things I just picked up. I'm actually really excited about these. I didn't know the full condition of these, and I'm actually really excited because I think they're pretty good quality. Like, I mean, they're Ultra Boost, so they're really comfortable, and actually they're just like, they're pretty. These ones look like they're got different like insides. They're a little softer. So I'm actually pretty happy with them, and they look really clean. And then the Redwings shirt, I'm just happy about because I like the Redwings, and I think it's a good looking shirt. Plus, it's from 1997, so it's pretty old at this point, and it's just from back when they used to win. So other than that, there's not too much else. But I thought it was a pretty good month, and hopefully next month is as good, but we'll see. We'll find out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, I guess, what your favorite thing from this month is, or something that you might have picked up if for some reason you went on Grailed. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.